What is up, guys? It's your boy, No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the 2 minute drill. Well, if you watched the Sunday sermon, you knew one of our levels was, 378, 380, and the other one was 387, 88. You got both of them today. Pretty spectacular. Had the morning reject right on the overnight gap up, and then you had a very nice bounce. Now, how do we know to take the bounce at the bottom this morning? Well, we knew more than likely the market would not be breaking down into huge what? Catalyst tomorrow, FOMC minutes. Not to get confused with the meeting. Jerome Powell will not be there, but still at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, they will be announcing the notes from the prior meeting. So if we know that's going to happen, we knew not to get suckered into playing the downside breakdown. Now, tomorrow, either one thing happens. We either break below, right, this 378 and test 374 again, which is the gateway to 370, or it takes us above 370, excuse me, 380, 386 to 388, then takes us to 390, 393. It just depends. Don't forget Thursday and Friday, we have even more data. ADP numbers. We also have non-farm payrolls jobs on Friday as well. Okay, so even more catalyst events to drive us out of this range. However, why is 370 a level? Well, if you look down here, let's go out to the 4 hours so you can kind of see what's been happening here. Okay, check this out. We have just from last CPI or two CPIs ago when we gapped up tremendously, right? We finally got through that 390. We got up here, right? Look down here. This is huge demand still, 370. So if we do break below 374, look for that 370 bounce. On the call side, if we break above 388, okay, look for 390, 393, then 396 above that. However, that will not come until post the data, more than likely, maybe even not until tomorrow or Friday. Why? What happens leading into the FOMC minutes or meeting? Okay, usually we get a directional move out of the morning. Okay, and then wherever we're closest to, right, whether it's up or down, whether we're closest to support or resistance, you mark the previous day's high and low. Okay, in this date, you'll in this in this example, you'll want to have just pretty much 376 to 378 marked, 386 to 388 marked. Know that those are huge supports and resistances. It's more than likely we do not break out of one of those ranges into the data. That means prior to the data that comes out. Okay. So when that happens, right, you let the morning move happen. The initial balance is usually the first hour. It will show its hand what the range is going to be. From that point, we will take an IV straddle. Guys, this is a new strategy we've been doing, or I've been participating in. Carter, Uliak, and JT Gladiator have come up with this. I've been doing this forever now, and I've just gotten on board. It's much better than playing the reactionary data that comes out and how the market reacts then, because it is a whirlwind of a move. Okay, it's multiple moves, and it can get you caught off sides really quickly. The safer move is let the IV pump work for you. Let the Greeks work for you. What we notice is IV can start under 100% and make its way to upwards of 130 to 140%. So as long as you time and understand the range we're in, right, and you buy the call at the support and you buy the put at the resistance, then you'll know you can let the Greeks work for you. The IV will juice. Okay, we made over 100% on the call side last time alone, and the put side, even though the market went up, the put side didn't really go down at all. Okay, matter of fact, if you would have held the put through the data, it went like 17,000%, it seemed like, because we just fell out of the goddamn sky. Okay, that's not financial advice. I'm just telling you, I like this strategy much better. That's what I'll be doing. I will be waiting. So, guys, if you're in the Wolves of Wealth community, be up early, mark your previous day's highs and lows. Okay. And listen to us on live if you can. Okay, if you're not in the community, guys, link in the bio, check it out. Come trade with us. Awesome culture, teach you how to fish environment. Do not want any get rich quick. It's all about teaching you a skill that can change your life forever. Okay, guys, so that's the plan for tomorrow. Guys, look where we come out at. Future is a whole fucking nothing sandwich. We're up 6 handles right now. Nothing going on. That means about 60 cents on SPY. Weehee, woohoo, whatever. Let's see where we open up. Wait for the directional move to come. Know if you're at support or resistance and play accordingly from there. 376 to 378, huge support. 386 to 388, huge resistance. Know it, learn it, love it. Okay, guys, wake up early. Don't do anything fucking stupid, and we'll see you bright and early. Peace.